Good morning, great people. I feel it's a privilege to have you as my audience. And the issues of youth are so dear, they are daring to me. And so this morning, I'm going to discuss on causes which might increase the likelihood of youths committing suicide. Suicide is very rampant. We get young people taking their lives. What makes them take their lives? What are the likelihood? What are the precipitating factors which can make them take their lives? One, when there are social histories, loners are more likely to commit suicide. People who are not interacting with anyone, they are just in their own world. Some also who are doing very poorly in school, they are also likely to commit suicide. Then there is also minimum brain dysfunction. Some may be having brain problem, may be having mental problem. But it might be a psychological problem, and they might end up taking their lives. Others may be having behavior or discipline problem. Others have very poor self-image. They hate themselves, they hate their body. And now with this hating themselves, then it makes them feel very, very bitter, and they find there is no need to live. Then, feeling hopeless, you find that life has got lost meaning, you don't see the need of living, so why don't you take your life? Others, they come from dysfunctional families, single families, separated families, or chronic families. Parents, they feel discouraged. Others, they commit suicide because of depression. Others, jilted by lovers after becoming pregnant. Others, because of drugs. Others, it may be running in their families. Genetical. You might find that there are even 3 or 4 people in your same family who have committed suicide. Others commit suicide because of lack of supportive friendships. Others, low self-esteem. And finally, self-blame. You blame yourself for all the failures. And so what do? You take your life. Thank you very much for listening to me. I hope the young people have understood some of the factors which can drive them to commit suicide, which they don't have to. Thank you very much. It's Mutia Rukwaro, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Thank you. A great day.